So yeah, hi, I just woke up. As I already posted, okay, I'm gonna post the thoughts in my mind that's gonna came and I'm doing this with like stickers. So the idea is I was just sitting and I had this thought that when you're a nice person, you somehow assume that everybody should be nice. And if you are nice, then everybody have to be nice. And if people are not nice, they are so wrong, they're so bad. And one thing is that they have to be nice from your definition. That's where we all go so wrong. That, oh, I didn't do that, so he like imagine you clean the room, okay? And someone else did it, and you be like, oh, I cleaned the room, but this person didn't, so they're so bad. What? And one thing that you assume is I am nice, so the whole world is gonna be nice to me. It's gonna be a reward from someone that I'm nice. No, being nice is a choice that even if everything goes wrong, even if you are not rewarded by anyone, you just wanted to be nice because that's what's in your personality, not a pretentiousness, not like a some people connected it with the deen that they follow, that okay, my religion say to be nice with people because then I'm gonna be rewarded, and that is like, okay, so you are being selfish by being nice. So I think so that's a very weird concept. If somebody is bad, someone is not a good person or whatever, they don't assume that everybody is bad, or they might be. That's the problem with the humans, that they think that if they are nice or bad or somewhat, the whole world is gonna be that way. But guess what? That's not how it is. Everyone has a good and bad qualities. Some's gonna match with you, some doesn't gonna match with you. Some people good way in some another way, some people are bad in another way. That's why you're not the judge. You have to just choose it without being to expect anything from the world. If you are nice, you cannot be like, oh, I am nice with the people, why things not go. You are nice because that's what's in your personality. That's it. You are bad because that's what you choose to be. It's your choice. Both gonna have a consequences. Both gonna have their own flaws. No one is better than the other. Yeah, being nice is might be better than the other, but I'm just saying you cannot be like, okay, I'm so nice that the whole world's gonna be nice to me. That's not how the world works, and that's not how you should expect it to be. Okay. And if you are a religious person, you'll be like, oh, in my religion, it is said that nice person is going to get the yeah, it's about the afterlife. In this world works in some way. You cannot have the miracles. Yeah, sometime obviously if Allah wants, you can. But don't expect it. If you do bad, don't expect it something bad's gonna happen to you, because that's might not gonna happen. If you are nice, don't expect that something that's gonna happen to you. It's all about your own heart. If your heart say do that, it's about your heart. It's not about what other world is gonna think about you. Yeah.